Hi folks, Skip here from Woodworking UK. We have got another competition for you. Nick Zametti from NZ Woodturning has very kindly given us another ticket, a weekend ticket for Makers Central. So we're organising a little competition, and what we would like you to do to enter is to produce a 2-3 minute video, nothing groundbreaking, 5 minutes tops, for the YouTube channel. Either a tip that you think would help somebody out, a tour of your workshop, a little jig you've built maybe, anything at all, whatever you can think, a workshop tour, quick video of all your setup and what you work with, anything you want, but produce us a little 3-4 minute video, and you can go into the competition to win the weekend ticket for Makers Central. If you've not done one before, don't worry about it. Just do it. Honestly, it's loads of fun. Once you get over the fact that you're talking to your phone or your camera or whatever it is you're filming on, it's not that difficult. If you look on the channel, we've actually got a playlist of tips from some big names in the YouTube world, giving you some help and advice along the way. And if you keep watching, there's going to be some more added to that as well. Some people giving you advice. But you've got 2 weeks, so if you can produce a video in 2 weeks, get it done. Get it entered. We will ask when the date comes. We will put up a post asking for entries, and you can upload them to our Dropbox, and we'll put them on the channel. And then it'll give a week or two for people to give them all a thumbs up, and whoever gets the most likes on the channel will win the ticket. Tim Warner won the last one. Well done, Tim. Get involved, people. Thanks a lot.